Hello everyone, here is a 1970s, 4-bladed only Hunter original ceiling fan. This one I got at the fan fair, like 2 weeks ago. This actually, yeah. So, this one has a very, very long pole chain. As you can see, there is the red part. There's the red thing there. This one was made from the 1970s. So, as you can tell, this one's gonna be a very, very short video because this one only has one speed. I mean, I guess some fans do have one speed and some of them don't. I don't understand why, because like most ceiling fans nowadays have 3 speeds. So C brackets there. Very long pull chain indeed. There's the top. There's the top there, the canopy. Yeah, I mean this one's made from the 70s. This one was actually made from the 70s. Because Hunter fans were made in 1886. So this one only has one speed. So here we go. There we go. I think it's high. Oh. Whoops. Sorry, I had the switch turned off. So this is high speed. This one's only high speed, unfortunately. Understand, but I smell kind of like oil. Yeah, it smells like. Turn it off. Yeah. This kind of smells like burning too, so I don't know why. I don't know if it's true or not, but I mean, it may just be some. I don't know what that smell is, but it does kind of smell like maybe just oil or something. I mean, that could be true, but because I mean, there's oil in this thing that spins really well, so yeah, I'm gonna stop for it. Alright, guys, so that's it. Hope you enjoy. Sorry it's a very short video, but thanks for watching.